Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 12 of Vlogmas, and this whole week is basically just gonna be like my maintenance. I have to squeeze something different in every day before I leave for vacation on Friday morning. So today I'm getting ready to go and get my lashes done. I haven't really, well, I think I'm gonna just do classics because I don't really like a real thick, heavy lash. I like it to be like very natural and fluffy looking. So this girl from my town, her name is Brielle, she does lashes, and I really love her classic set. So I think I'm gonna get the so I'm gonna get a classic full set, and hopefully I'll be able to keep up with my lashes from here on out, like, and just come and get fills or whatever every couple of weeks. But the lash extensions hurt sometimes. Like whenever they're getting ready to come off and they feel all crusty and stuff, that hurts me. But I'm kind of tired of strips. I buy them all the time, and it's like at that point you might as well just go ahead and get the lash extensions. And the lash extensions last longer. I think they look better the older that they get, until you like start having big spaces. But I think they look better the older that they get, and I'm excited. I haven't had my lashes done in a while. I'm probably gonna try to go and get my eyebrows done today because they are thick. And then tomorrow I'll probably have time to go and get my feet and my nails done, a sew-in with these pretty bundles that I got from this company. And of course I'll update you guys on that. But yes, I will see you guys after I'm done with my lashes. What's up, you guys? I just finished with my lashes. I love them. I'm excited for like day 3 and 4 with them whenever they thin out a little bit. But I think they're super cute. I don't have to worry about getting my lashes done for a while. She finished them pretty quick. I think my appointment was at 10 o'clock. It's about to be 12:20. So she finished pretty quick. My face is ashy. I was in there knocked out, y'all. Knocked out. So I was telling her that whenever I got in there, I was saying that I wanted classics, but she was showing me pictures of classics, and classics are like real thin, and I don't know, they look like cheap lashes from the dollar store. So I was like, no, I don't want that. So she was like, basically you want a hybrid, which is like the classics but a little bit thicker. But I don't like a dramatic lash at all. Like, I have to really be in the mood for a dramatic lash, and that's just not the vibes this weekend. So I want to keep everything real cute and simple. I'm probably going to go and get my eyebrows done either before or after the gym. Maybe after, because there'll be less people in there. But I will be getting my brows done today, so I'm excited about that, because they don't look bad. They just definitely need a cleanup. But yeah, I'm home. Oh, my car is all out in the street. I'm home now. I'm about to go in here. I still have some work to do before I can start getting ready for the gym. And I will probably get back with you guys. I might actually record some footage while I'm in the gym today, because I never do. So I might do that today. My hair, I have a hair appointment on Wednesday, so I will be washing and blow drying this extensively, either tonight in the shower or tomorrow after everybody is gone. Probably tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see. But right now I'm getting ready to go in the house, eat me something, and do some work. I have a video I need to upload for day 11 of Vlogmas, so I'm getting ready to go do that, and I will get back with you guys later on. So it is almost 5. I'm getting ready. Well, I'm waiting for my sister, and then we are going to the gym. I'm probably going to go crazy in this gym because we ain't worked out since Wednesday. So I'm thinking we're gonna do like some full body, and then hopefully we have enough time to go and get our eyebrows waxed afterwards, because I really need them. I think I would really like gag over these lashes if I just get my eyebrows done. But yes, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I'm probably gonna stop at John Eagles to get me like a smoothie or something afterwards, and then tonight I have to pick DJ up from wrestling. So like really my schedule is the same throughout the week. I don't really be doing nothing too crazy. I might not be even going on vacation no more this weekend, but sadly, I was so excited to see my brothers. I haven't seen them since I was pregnant with 7 and she's 2. So, but we'll see how things work out. If it's meant for me to go, then I'll go. If it's not meant, then it won't be meant for me to go. So yeah, that's new. But it's so crazy because I really I'm not even prepared. I was gonna spend this week getting prepared for the trip, but if I don't go, then I don't go. I'll probably still get my hair done on Wednesday. I think my hair appointment is. I'll probably still get my hair done on Wednesday, so I don't know. We'll see. We just got to the mall. We did a good workout. We worked out for like 30 minutes today. We get ready to go and get our eyebrows done. And DTLR. I cannot wait.